Hi, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2009 59 Reg Range Rover Sport HSE. And the vehicle does also feature a full Rivera design body kit. Alongside that, it does have front and rear light upgrades, as you'll see as we make our way around. The vehicle's come in very recent part exchange and has been exquisitely looked after, both internally, externally, and in terms of this vehicle's service history. Over the top, you can see it comes equipped with the sought after glass sunroof. It has got 22-inch Rivera alloy wheels, which have been kept in superb condition and are in the very nice gloss black. They also come all the way around with the Toyo Sport tyres. So at the front there, you can see the facelifted Angel Eye headlamps, as you can see, and they also really work nicely with the full Rivera design body kit. Down the side, you can see just how well kept this Range Rover has been, alongside the privacy glass on the rear windows, of course, to again further extend on that very executive look. All the way around, we have got a 4D chrome on this vehicle, so again all of the door handles, all of the grills have been finished in the gloss black to of course match the 22-inch alloys. Inside, we've got a lovely interior, which is of course all leather. Both front seats are heated along with the electric function, along with the memory for driver's side. It also includes Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there, and we will of course talk more about the internal features shortly. Very nice having that glass sunroof, because it does of course allow a huge amount of natural light inside the car. For rear passengers, you will of course find a very spacious, exceptionally comfortable rear seats, which are of course all ISOFIX base ready. Central folding armrests should you not alternatively want to sit there, and including the two outer seats in the second row of seats are also heated, which is of course always a nice feature. Around at the back of the car, again showing you off these fantastic alloys, which as you can see yourselves are in great condition. Round at the back, another upgrade as part of this Rivera kit are these LED flow lights. Again, these are £500 themselves. We've got front rear parking sensors along with a rear facing reversing camera. You do of course get the signature split glass portion on the tailgate, which again reveals a very large boot space, which is of course what you find on such a vehicle. Going around onto the driver's side, again you can see just how nice this kit has been added to an already very stylish vehicle. In my opinion, this is the last of the proper Range Rover shape. That much more squared and boxy shape really does suit the traditional Range Rover name. And we shall hop on inside the car shortly and just start the car up for you and explore some of its internal features. In terms of its service history, it does come with full service history, including all of the timing belts. That these are essential that you have should you be looking to buy one. There you can see we get a lovely Range Rover motif upon entry. It is a push button start. We do have two keys with the vehicle. That again is a nice feature to have, is the keyless entry and keyless go, as you can see there. On the central console, we do of course have all of our off-road controls, the terrain response system. Currently we're just in access height, of course, to show you just how well this vehicle does sit. Again, that's all working correctly. The front heated seats. In terms of the display, we've just currently got the 4x4 information up. However, we'll go to the home screen and display that all of the navigation system is working correctly on this car. As you can see, all of the touchscreen system is still functioning correctly, despite the car being the age that it is. In terms of your multimedia, you've got underneath the armrest, there is a jack for both iPod and USB. We also do have, to go into here, you'll see DAB radio, which is of course really nice in a car of this age. That's all working correctly. It also has carried out just over 95,000 miles, which again for a vehicle of this age is a relatively low mileage. Multifunction steering wheel, of course, including all the extras like cruise control and your mobile phone controls as well. So there is a look around this fantastic Range Rover Sport with a full Rivera design kit. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. Again, if you would like some more information on both the vehicle and of course the click and collect service we're now currently running under here at Your Next Car, please feel free to remember to click out onto the links below in the description. Thanks guys, do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.